Today I've picked up this piece of office furniture. I'm going to turn it into a cupboard for my sewing machine room. I found that the drawers are very practical to put all my utensils in. To start with, I'm going to remove all the drawers and then take off these metal bits. Once I'm going to do that, there are pieces of veneer missing. I'm going to kit them. Then I'm going to sand the whole cupboard back, and then I'm going to paint it in a cream colour. On the top here, I'm going to tile it. I've got some tiles that I'm going to break and do like a mosaic on top, and then I'm going to add some hairpin legs to the cupboard. We've finished sanding, and now we've just popped 3 drawers in the front here and 2 over the other side. We're going to turn these 3 drawers into one big drawer so that then these, here they are, these threads fit in there. Once we've done that, I'm going to put an edge around through the sides of this top so that then these glasses with the buttons in it can sit on there and they won't fall off the back or off the side. They will sit nice and firmly on the top of the unit. The frame is now glued securely onto the top of the cupboard. I'm now going to start to paint the cupboard. Therefore, I'm just going to use a lac. Here's my, I'm going to use it white. I'm going to paint the drawers and the whole cupboard. After I've done that, I'm going to take some tiles. I'm going to smash them up so that I can make a mosaic. For this, I've chosen one's turquoise and the other one's blue, and I'm going to do like a mixed pattern on top. And once that's done, I'm going to take some grouting and grout the surface out. Before I start to tile the top of the cupboard, I'm going to add these hairpin legs so then it can stand on the floor and I can sit down and tile, because it takes a bit of time to do the tiling. We're just going to mark with a pencil the holes where we're going to drill. We're going to drill a little hole in and then we're going to put the screws in. Before we pop the drawers back inside the cupboard, we'd just like you to hit that like button. And if you haven't subscribed, of course, we'd be very grateful if you subscribed. We hope we've given you a little bit of inspiration this week, what you can do out of a piece of furniture. And we'll see us in a couple of weeks' time. And at the end of the film, you'll also see a before and an after picture. So till next time, ta-ta.